Yo, chat, when I hear me? Well, Mr. So, what time? 8:20, bro. We have I think we have news at 8:30 in the chat. I'm gonna check. Yeah, we have unemployment. I followed out 8:30. So we'll run the analysis, bro. So we have like 9 minutes. I have like 9 minutes to do it. At least me have an idea of when I look for chat. Me already have an idea when I look for Camille. I go over charts earlier this morning. But when I delete them and just go over it again. Hold on. Yeah, chat. I delete it and just do another analysis with the live stream. As usual, we're gonna start off from like about this again, yeah, the monthly time frame chat. And basically the same thing, nothing to change, bro. Whether I say yo, I would expect this monthly can go for close bullish chat. You see me? We have like the last week left until this monthly can go close. You see my chat. Now if we close bearish, we'd have to have like crazy volume forward out, bro. If we flip this monthly candle. If you ask me, chat, would I need like crazy volume and we need liquidity. So would I expect this monthly candle for close bullish chat, but yesterday, I think last night or something like that. No, yesterday we flip bearish on the weekly time frame chat and print a bottom wick. Cause remember this weekly candle, it just drive straight up without no bottom wick. So we finally print a bottom wick, flip back bullish, but we got 1 day and 9 hours left in the weekly candle. So if this weekly candle close bullish, you're expect the next weekly candle to pop up. Even if we go drive down, you're expect we print a top wick first on like the next weekly time frame. You see me? And some look at the weekly though, but this is what I talk about chat. You see yesterday on this bearish candle, remember yesterday we did have like, we did say yo we're bearish for the day, cause it's like once we close below the range, you know, expect once we print a top wick candle flip, we should be able to like continue down on like the daily time frame, and that's what happened yesterday. You see it? So like today, wait, hold on, bro. Hold on, chat. Now see my screen or nah? I'm gonna try it. Bro, man, that is necessary Discord. Like Discord, me have no lag, bro. I'm gonna say like YouTube stream, Dave. And hold on, chat. How me do it again? How me do it again? Now see my screen now? Hold on, bro. So basically, I'm just go over like a monthly, weekly, and a daily. And my screen never is a share. On the Discord, it's a share though. But I don't know what's going on. I just go over like all of them 3 time frame I chat, bro. We just 8:24 maybe if I go over them again, bro. Like hopefully they'll follow along still. You see me? But chat, we have news 8:30, bro. I don't really have enough time. You see me? So just get this over with, see if we can mark up the levels them. Yeah, me last upon your daily time frame. Yesterday we closed below the range. We print a bottom wick 32. I think we top 32.60.18 start for like we get like this gap again, bro. One next gap. And now we start to push up chat. This month, this daily can go and print in the bottom week as yet. So this is the thing, bro. You see, if news can follow out, brings our volume, push price up, we grab liquidity, and then we flip back bearish and close below range 2. We could look for ourselves going down, because we would expect like if that happen, this daily candle should be able to flip bearish and print a bottom wick. You see me? So we could have look for text on sales. So it's like if I drop down to the 4 chart, this would have be like what? This right, so I'm showing. This right here so would have be like range 1. If we get a closure below here, so this would have be range 1, closure below here, so this would have be range 2. Because as you can see, we have a level here, so and we have a level here, so and it can go low as well. So anything below 33.10, anything below this up would have be good for sales going down, bro. You see me? Could I like anticipate the daily can go flip. You see me, chat? But that's the idea when they have for sales though. So for the buys them, chat, more than need for say like closure above the highs. If price can push all the way back up, close above like 33.69, then more than look for like start take buy position, chat. But more than need a closure all the way above this. So let me just mark up this fast, bro, because we're gonna have news soon. And if I understand it, chat, me just go over it again, but hold on, let me just mark up this. So cause news I go forward up, I always like if you have like levels then mark up before news. No, what do you have is 33.10. So chat, remember I'm telling you, you know, like if we get like a closure below range 2, which would have be like 33.15, like any closure below here, so more have to start sales. We have like a 30 pip range going down. You see me? So that would have been decent, bro. 44 to be exact. That would have been decent. And for the buys them, as I'm say, but I need to see like a closure above the range. Hold on. No, and there's somebody have it. My bad, bro. And then there's a 0.15 time frame. This did the above 33.29. Hold on. Then mark up them chart, we can go over them again, you see, but I just want to have the lines them on the chart when news forward out. We're gonna have news in like 2 minutes. Alright, chat. So yeah, this high level me I go work with 33.30. You see me? Anything below here so would have be good for sales going down. You see me, chat? Yeah, put that there so. And for the buys them, as I'm say, buys pan like the rebreak of the highs. I expect like would I need a closure all the way above here, such as this hour. Should I be like range 1? Should I be like range 2? What the range going up? Let me measure the range going up, by the way. If we take buys above 52, we have like what, 40 pip range going up. Alright, chat. So I'm put that there so. On before we go up here, that expect price like print structure, would I need like a bottom wick at 33.48. That would be decent. So bro, them there levels when I go work with for right now, chat. You see me, sales below 33.30 because it's like it's a closure below range 2, and if price fall down and close all the way back below this level, you would expect for like re-break the at the 4 hour, yeah, re-break the 4 hour candle lows. Got 30 minutes left. Just think about it. Within 30 minutes, if this 4 hour candle, cause bro, this entire 4 hour candle not really do nothing for real, bro. Like if we want drive bullish, this 4 hour candle would have been pushed. You see me? But we're not gone nowhere. On the 4 hour candle, we only got 30 minutes left. So I may say if this candle for flip bearish and we just push down, and we get a closure below like 33, chart, anything below 33.30 would are good for carry down towards the rebreak of the candle lows, the rebreak of the hourly candle lows, and that about would have up out. So if we get an entry right, so would have up out, we are jump out I trade there, so put this up some more right, so yeah. So that's the idea I have for sales right now. would I just wait for like a closure below the range for like a minute time frame or something like that, and we're good. But I think at 8:30 now, bro, it's like the news can go delay or something. Cause we have unemployment, you know. We have unemployment. Look, see that right? That's a 8:30. We have unemployment, but it's like it probably delay. Cause you know, sometimes I do that when news forward out. Which broker you use? Kinex. I use Kinex, bro. But you know, sometime when news forward out, like if news are forward out 8:30 and at 8:30, it's like sometime the news will delay. And by 8:35 you start to like it move. Probably that what happen, I don't know. Look like that happen because basically gold now move. Yeah, bro. My Kinex me use, bro. It's like what I say is a good broker. You see it. Best thing what I love about it though is that the you don't have to really like use like you don't have to wait for like your withdrawal. That I love about it. It's like you withdraw them processing at like an hour or 2 hours. You know, some broker you have to wait like 24 hours or something like that. But and the thing what me hate the most about it is like it spreads, bro. But since recently it not really affect me that much, but when me just start using broker, it spreads then the crazy, bro. I never really understand it spreads them, dog. It's like mother enter a trade. Say me enter a trade when it can't go flip, bro. Me entry there way up there, so dog. Way up there, some entry over there. But since recently that not happened to me again though. You see me, but that's what I never used to like about the broker. Yeah, video was so much just though. I will post that. Bro, you're a fool, bro. See that already. But chat, man, I'm gonna lie, do a chat. A week, amazing so far, bro. I swear. Leave like a lie. Right now, Thursday, just show up and just try to follow a plan, bro. Same way. We get a W today. Show up Friday and just end off a week strong, bro. Cause everything good so far. Even if we don't get a trade today, we're still good for a week, bro. Cause me I tell you, the week is crazy. Never expect this. You know, say something change though. That's something I start to implement to my strategy. Basically a range 1, range 2. You see me? Cause I realize chat. I realize maybe that I can get caught in a fake out. I go back to a giant board cause I done for basically learn everything from, you see it. So I go back watch Danvo because me and him trade the same way, you see me, and I basically start implement like range 1, range 2 in my strategy. I did know about it, but I never like use it, but now I start to use it. Basically chat, it's like say I have price a push up, hold on, because gold not really a move right now, so I'm just showing you something. Say price a push up, right, and it's like we start for like push back down into the range and we start to push back up. So something like this happen. You see, instead of you look for buys above range 1 chat, you would look for buys above range 2. So look, this is what I mean by that. This would be right as a range 1. This would be right as a range 2. You see me? So look, basically why when price a push up, why you not look for take buys above this level, you know, because that's the way fake out normally get print. You see me? For example, look what price I do right now. You see we are push up chat, and after we push up the can go reject, we start to push back up. This is range 1. This is range 1. I would have never ever look for taking up buys above, right? So, well, not never ever. If it clear, say, yo, price grab liquidity, fine. Take buys above range 1 because we already have liquidity. But this not super clear, bro. So take buys above this level right here, so can lead to like you getting caught in a fake out. You see my chat. So that's why me not look for no buys above range 1. If price push up towards range 2, then would I look for buys. But we'll see if it a go happen. We'll see if it a go happen because this is like an example in a real time. So look, may I go wait and see if this candle go reject and print a fake out, because you see now it a push above the range. So we'll see if it a go print a fake out. So may I talk about chat. Why this level a load? So may I talk about, we have like range 1 right here, so this is like the structure. Like if we forget a closure above here, so normally we would look for take buys, but as I say, when you take buys above range 1, that when we get caught in a fake out, bro. Because of course gold I go push up close above the range and then just go right back into the range. That way normally happen. Is in my chat. So I think that way me did tweak, bro. I start implement like range 1, range 2 to my strategy, and then, bro, it's like everything just start like the trades them when I take make way more sense, I swear. But we just watch, cause me not gonna lie, it don't happen all of the time them. You see me chat, what can look, if gold I go drive up from range 1, that are basically if we have liquidity. You see, if we have liquidity, you can look for buys above range 1, cause as I said, this is a range 1. If you are gonna take buys above here, so you would have to be sure, say yes, gold did grab liquidity, so we should be able to like close above range 1 and continue up. But it's not really clear. If you ask me, it's not clear, and the reason why I say not clear, this 4-hour candle, we got 22 minutes left. So this whole entire 4-hour candle don't do nothing, and we been print like a bottom wick on this 4. So if we already have like a this level, bro, mobile that lag. So chat, basically what I say, if I look on the 4-hour candle, if we already print a bottom wick towards 33.26, and you see how long this candle take for drive, it just did a range. It never had a push up. You see me, only 20 minutes left. So me would expect this should be enough, chat, because if this was enough, why gold never drive long time? You see me? So when me I go do, I wait, and bear in mind, chat, this a range 1. Don't look for no buys above this level. Well, I can't tell nobody what to do, but just understand, sir, this is where we most likely, if we are gonna get a fake out, alright, so you see me? So that's why I'm gonna stay out of that. And if price drive up, chat, if price drive up, then I guess would have just be wrong, and this 4-hour bottom wick was enough, and gold just is just a late candle. You know, like when you candle then just range the whole entire candle, and in the last couple minutes then you start to push. Yeah, probably that probably would have been one of them candle. But in a situation like this, you just stay out and watch it pre. You see me? 5 minutes left until we close. 5 minutes left. I remember when I telling you we are look out for in a chat, cause we want to sample size this, bro. I start sample size things per stream. I say like sample size basically like I start like call out some things we would expect to happen, and we like see if it happen in a real time. Like, and with journal it and say like out of like say out of 100 trades or out of 100 time, how much time it happen. You see me? So that may I start do. So look, like I would say yo, we're not taking no buys above range 1. Cause if price will print a fake out, normally I see a fake out get print a range 1. You see me? So we have sample size that today. And see. Can if we do it 10 times, out of 10 times, see how much time it happen. You see me? Cause that me normally do when I go add things to my strategy. You see it, I have a sample size it first. Say if we do it like 10 times, and out of 10 times it happen 9 times or it happen 8 times, then I know alright that we could now start use that in our strategy. You see me? So remember me telling the chat, this can go. This is a closure above range 1. We are safe, we actually print a fake out. Cause that way you would expect, this 4 can go bin have a bottom wick. We never drive for how long. And now we are push up and a close above range 1. We are see if it help my chat. So it can go start to drive bearish, but we got 3 minutes left. So within 3 minutes more and see if this can actually close back into the range. And if we close back into the range, what is this is one big fake out, bro. One bullish candle above the range, one bearish can go back into the range. So we are chat, we got 3 minutes left. So if we close below the range, exactly what me I talk about just happened live, bro. Let me see what I go on here, so. How long you trade for? How long may I trade for? I think about 2 years now. I think I trade for about 2 years. Me no remember exactly, but me know it for sure. It's like, if I know 2 years, it's almost 2 years. Or probably over 2 years. That probably even make no sense, but me no know, bro. Like, and a long time though. And a long time. As what I say, it's like me I give a range. Me know me I trade for over 1 year. That for sure, for sure. Me I trade for like almost 2 years or 2 years now. One out of them, me not really know for sure. Me personally, I wait for gold break above 33.58 and retest. Then hold till it reach about 34. Let me see, where is it? 33.58? Which part that day? Break above 33.58. Oh, way up there, sir. 58. Oh, so bro, 33.58. Me actually have a line right there, sir, too. See there, me have a line at 33.57. You see me? Basically same thing. Yeah, but that's how we would look for jump out I trade though. Cause as I said, chat, I not look for no buys above range 1, cause this a range 1 right here, so if this can go for push up though and close above range 2, which should be right here, so I would look for buys above range 2 for push up towards 38, the level where you would look for enter. Cause the reason why I would do that is because I trade range to range. I say if I look right here, so we got clean range going up. So if we get a closure above 33.52, we should be able to push up towards 33.58. And would look for jump out right there, so. But yeah, that's a good level though, bro. 33.58. But would look for buys up towards this, so. But if you look for buys above, that would be good as well. You would just wait for like a closure above, wait for like a retest as well, you say, and you're good for real. Why I can't delete them, bro? This thing a lag. But chat, look, bro, you see it for yourself. What me telling you, bro? Who take buys above range 1? Tell me who take buys above range 1. Bro, you're literally cook right now, bro. You're super cook right now. 20 seconds left. A heavy bearish closure back into the range. What me tell you, I just something more I learn, chat. Just a share with you, you see it. Like, bro, if you take buys above range 1, there's a high chance you get caught in a fake out. And that's exactly what happened. I not say buys above range 1 completely bad. The only time you take buys above range 1 is when you're sure price have liquidity. If price have liquidity, of course we're gonna fly past range 1. You see me? But bro, if I look on this 4 can go chat, as one say, we print a bottom wick on this 4 can go all long and we not drive gone away. So bro, probably we need a steeper wick. Probably we need more liquidity. You see me? So we got 14 minutes left, chat. If this can go flip bearish, close below right, so would I love to take sells. And with the idea in mind, we should be able to re-break the current 4-hour candle low. You see me chat, or it go then be the previous. If we forget closure below here, so the sales them would have take chat, would have wait for like a top week tech sales, because as I must say, would have probably like need for re-break this low, because if we print a low and this could drive way up, we get like a closure back into the range, we probably need a steeper wick than this. So if we take a trade right here, so I think would have be good if we come down towards like the rebreak of the lows. That would have be like a 30 pip range to chat. So would have be chilling. Would have be good for Thursday if that will happen. That are the idea. I have both idea for buys and sells though chat. And if one thing we learn today is how to avoid fake out. Just bro, you don't have to completely trade like me. But some things from the stream you can like take away, like stuff like this. You see me chat. I literally call this way before it happened. You trade candlestick patterns? No. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright. Yeah, bro. Jeez, I'm crying. Hold on. And drop that. Yeah. No, I'm not trade candlestick patterns, bro. Morning star, even star, etc. No, I'm not trade that. And the reason why I'm not trade it because I never start to trade it. You see, friend, the day I start trading, I just stick to one mentor. I find one person and I just learn everything from that one person. You see me? And yeah, I think that's why I'm not really do it. Because, alright, look on goal. From the day I start trading, only goal I ever trade. I never ever even look for anything else. I swear upon my life. I only trade goal. And the reason why I only trade gold is because I start with, I don't know, personal. When I just learn about trading, I just like the name gold. Like once me hear say we have gold, yeah, I trade gold. And from that day, I never ever trade nothing else. You see me? So I feel like that's why I just stick to one thing. My strategy was around all that, yeah, bro. That's probably a good thing too. That's probably a good thing, cause it's probably a good thing, bro. Cause if you understand like all of that, it's probably a good thing to understand that. You see me? But me don't know. I just stick to one thing, cause me no want to know everything. You see it? Like, I feel like sometimes if you know everything, you can now have like what they call it, analysis paralysis. Like for example, if your strategy, I tell you say yo, take a sell right now, and that's way your strategy I tell you. But because you did have another mentor in our past, we also tell you say yo, this is like a bullish trend. Now you're kind of scared to follow your own strategy because you know too much. You did know that, you know that. So you think about that though. I feel like that though, I'm afraid. I not really want to know too much, bro. Anytime I want to learn something, I go to my same mentor who teach me everything. I feel like when you know too much, that we just make you too educated, you know? No joke, bro. And when you're too educated, you make mistake because you know a lot, bro. You feel me? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm trying to say, bro. Too much knowledge, bro. It might sound dumb, but a real talk, bro. No joke. Hold on, chat. Give me 2 seconds, chat. Me and forward. Yeah, bro. I'm there back. Candlestick confirmation and supply demand zone, and it even stronger on the bigger time frame. Time frames worse when it connect with moving average. Bro, you know what I hear that word already? Me not gonna lie, moving average. But me don't know what that is though. But me hear it already. Moving average. But me don't know what that is. But you know, like when you're on Instagram, me hear that a lot though. Like moving average and fair value gap. But me not trade them thing there. I me not understand it either. But it's like, as what me say, when me afraid of, what if me try to learn it? Cause me do believe if me put time into them thing, then me can learn that as well. But what if me learn about fair value gap and moving average, and now it affect my strategy when me have, because me know my strategy I tell me one thing, but me remember about the fair value gap and the moving average when me learn, and that I tell me another thing. So that's what I'm afraid of, bro. Me not really want, like, me not know if me forget, cause bro, look on it this way, cause you have to look on it both side, you know. What if me actually learn it and now my win rate increase? You see me? Like I just hey, I both sides to it, bro, but I don't know. I don't know, bro. But true, everything good right now, chat. As I said, chat, we just do it, you know, follow a plan every day. With strategy have a high win rate. You see me, bro? Mentor literally go up on a 62 win streak. Live on stream. Bro, if you never watch Danvo, you ever watch Danvo, by the way, search up Danvo on YouTube, bro. Man literally go up on a 62 or I think a 64 win streak, bro. With the same strategy. So it's like a strategy proven, chat. And look, me even have to talk about my mentor, but let me show you my journal, cause my journal, me have a journal from January. This I went January 17, 2024. Bro, look on like my journal, chat. If I can't see it, like big up your screen, or like sometimes when I click on your stream it will put in a like 380 after watching a like 1080p. But look on my win rate, chat. My win rate, chat, bro, we literally win. What is? We literally win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 trades in a row, bro. So it's like, within, like, chat, this our 1 month, 2 month. Within 2 months, we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 L's. Within 2 months, we only take 6 L's, bro. That win rate is crazy, bro. Just go, and we trade every day. Keep that in mind. We trade every day, bro. So it's like a strategy we may have. We have a high win rate, but we also trade with a negative risk to reward. You see me? And this is the next thing where most people understand. So chat, it's the next thing to bro where most people understand. You see, if me fi enter a buyer's chart, reason why me have a negative risk to reward. Let me explain that to you, bro. Dog, me gonna need that template. Which template that? Which one you talk? The one, I don't know. Oh, like a journal. Oh, a journal. You know, I build my Billy, bro. I edit my editing and I can show you how to edit it. But yeah, try. As I say, it's like my strategy. We have a high win rate, but my trade at a negative risk to reward. Is it? And what I mean by that is, look, say if I enter a trade, chat. Well, I'm gonna find one level. Say, even though I would enter a trade, right? That's so say we did enter a trade, chat. Cause remember I'm telling you, this a range one. I would look for take buys above range one. So say we did enter a trade, chat. My stop loss, I would have put my stop loss below, yeah, so chat. And the reason why I would have put my stop loss below this, so I'ma take profit with a all be like the rebreak of the highs, like right, yeah, so. Look, chat, the reason why I'm gonna do this, cause as I say, I have a negative risk to reward, but I know for no reason. But me explain it to them, bro. Look, chat. So look, we have like structure get print, right? I can't even like click on this. Look, we have structure get print. If a pre-market from over here, so this I will start like the uptrend, like not really starty, but you can see right here, so we clear start for push up from right here, so we push straight up, right? And then after price start for push back down. We start for range, we are range, and then we print like a bottom wick and we push up and we get a closure above range one. If me I take buys above range one, chat, if you ask me, the best place for put a stop loss is below all of them lows here. So you put a stop loss right here, so any closure below right as a chat, would you know you're gone. This completely gone, bro, cause look, gold been a range. We can definitely tap back into the range and push back up to your break-even area like what price just do. So when a trade completely invalid is below these levels, we always a weak right here, so and push back up. So if we have a stop loss like right here, so would have been dumb in my opinion, bro, because most people trade with a small stop loss. But I can't put my stop loss, yes, chat. My stop loss will be below this structure. Because below this structure, bro, your buy is completely invalid below this structure. You see me? So someone that look for do it, chat. And if you look, what happened? We forward down, we print a low right in at the same range, and you would be able to like jump out at break even, or probably still in at the trade. But the point is, when you understand structure, chat, alright, look, watch when we close below here, so watch if price now go continue drop. Because below here, so chat, is like a break below the lows, then price always reject from right here. So if we break below these lows and actually close below, price gonna continue further. So that's why I have the stop loss what I have. Cause when me enter a trade, I look on the levels them. If we break a certain level, we're gone. You see me? But bro, gold move a lot. I could enter a trade above the highs and have a stop loss right here, so. No, bro, I could do that. I could have put my stop loss right here, so. Because clearly the candle lows, then they're right here, so. You see me? So anything below these lows, you see the lows are right here, so. Anything below these lows would have been good, bro. So I would have put my stops right here, so. It's a like break a structure. You see my chat. So that's why I'm a trade like that, bro. I can't like use a small stops, bro. Like I never start off trading like that. I start off trading at a negative risk to reward. That also one next thing too. Set up clean after you done trade. Run the stream and show me how you set it up. I got you, bro. Man, do that. Guy, easy. You see it? Easy. Alright, chat. Look. Now we I get a closure below. So look, chat. As I'm gonna say. Just watch it pre. If we get a closure below, yes, a chat, the trade will completely be invalid. So just watch. We are watch and see. If price continue down after we close below 33, bro, why I can't even call the number, bro? 33.34.48 after we close below here, so we are safe price would have continued down. And it basically continued down already, but hopefully we don't get the idea. Most people now gonna get it because, bro, they don't really like the idea of a negative risk to reward, but chat, it can work. A negative risk to reward can work, but guess what? You see, if you have a negative risk to reward, you have to have a high win rate. You see me? That's the thing, bro. Me, I gotta keep it real, bro. Somebody who a trade with a negative risk to reward can lose like 3 days out of a week. Chat. You see, if I lose 3 days out of a week, that completely bad, bro. You see me? Cause me have a negative risk to reward. But for somebody who trade with like a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3, bro, they can lose 2 times and win 1 trade and forward back or in profit, bro. You see me? So it's like, whenever you see somebody with a negative risk to reward, don't just like start talk shit, bro, because bear in mind, a negative risk to reward asks if the person have a high win rate. If you have a negative risk to reward with a high win rate, you're good to go, bro, because the win rate, chat, whatever I tell you, say, yo, you're gonna have like you're gonna have like 100 pips stop loss, but you could have catch like, you'd make like 200 pips on average. You'd make like 200 or 250 pips before you lose 100. So that's how you stay in a game. You see me, chat? Whenever you lose, because remember your win rate high enough. So whenever you catch your 30 pips, continue catch your 30 pips, then you catch 10 one a day, you catch 35 one other day. Bro, by the time you lose 100, you're already up 200. You get what I say? So I saw you stay above, like I saw you stay profitable. You see me? Just the win rate, bro. And look, chat, remember I'm telling us that the trade completely invalid after a closure below you, so we literally drop. You see what I talk about? So some go to work. You see me? Anything below you, so we're gone, bro. And that's what basically happen. Look, top week even retest the same level on my markup. So you see my chat. That's why I'm gonna put my stop loss there, so. But more than never take that trade in the first place. Cause we did see it and I'm telling you why I avoid it. Cause it gonna be a fake out, bro. But what time? 9:03. So chat, I'm gonna stop the app, bro, and focus on the charts. Anyways, we come down to a level where I did look for sales, chat. So any closure below, yes sir. That a level where I did look for sales. So we are gonna take a chat. You see me after a top week. So a level somebody have markup. Put this right, yes sir. Let me see what the 4 hour do. 4 hour. So close above, close bearish above. So this 4, we're going to need to see this 4 print structure if we are going to take sales. So chat, basically, look, I look for take sales below the low, you know. I look for take sales below the low, like the candle low, the rebreak of the lows. Any closure below this, so I look for take sales, but it's I think previous 4 candle close weak bearish. You see me? This candle we already print a bottom wick. When we want to see chat, what I want to see if this 4 candle, what I want to see, I don't want to see we get a closure below now, chat. I want to see this 4 candle actually, like how we are pushed down, I want to see it reject. Like when it reject, that a structure being print. Look, like if the 4 candle push down, instead of just take sales when it comes straight down, wait for you reject a little bit first. After I reject a little bit first and fall back down and re-break its lows again, then you're good. Something like this. We are push down, we push back up, we can go reject a little bit, then it push back down, closure below the low, and then this would be with sales going down, chat. You see me closure below, yeah, so that's our price I do right now. As I'm say. Well, I can't tell if like a data gonna happen, but this is how we move that want to see happen. You see me? Price push down, this are the low print, we start for reject as what price I do right now. So if we push back down, if we get a closure back below the candle lows, that would have been my sales chat. That would have been clean, bro. You see me? So but we'll see if we can get like a closure below the lower. And more that take sales going down towards so chat, I'm sure no. Bro, I'm here when this thing lag. More that take sales going down towards 3326.13, that level there. Right, so chat. Alright, so if we forget entry on like the rebreak of the lows, more that jump out I trade like somewhere around right so, or off of this level over here so, somewhere right so. So that would have been the idea behind I sales them. You see, put back your line them on the chart. So you see me have a line them with markup chart. I already marked them up. So chat, as what I said, it's good enough because we did want to see can go reject. But what we are gonna do, we're not gonna predict or like we're not gonna try for like enter a trade and hope say yo we fall back down. We are gonna just wait. You see me? Cause as what I say, price push down, top this level. As what I say, it's at the 4-hour candle. Me would feel comfortable just to take sales as soon as we fall down. At least make the 4-hour candle print structure first. And that's how we start for do. You see me? So look chat. You see like how we are reject. If we not start close above the range and we close below the range and we start to fall down same way, we're good, bro. We got 7 minutes left. 5, nice. So look, nice top wick off of the 5. So can this 5 close below? Can this 5 close below? Cause chat, all what happening in a chat are basically this. It's like we push down and it can start for reject and push back up. So if we don't get a closure above the range, if we close bullish but bullish respecting, and then the candle then start to push back down, here's my chat, anything below the candle low would have be good, bro. That would have be like a setup I'm basically take every day. So wait and see though, we got 1 minute left. And chat, for the buys them chat, would I wait and see if we are gonna push up and close all the way above the range. If that happen, then we could have definitely look for some buys. But still wait for closure above here, so here's my chat. Still wait for that. I'm gonna say got the only can go flip, only can go flip back bullish. Only can go never have no top week in a chat. 4 can go never have no top week. We can flip bullish, print a top week, and still fall back down and close bearish. Keep that in mind. So that's why I just want to like stay out of this range right here. So I'm not looking for no buys on this 4 can go flip. Yeah, we could drive up, but this could just be a top week. We can push up and reject anywhere in this range right here. So anyway, so we'll just wait. And if we push up and we don't reject in the range and actually close above 33.41, then we'll look for buys. You see me? Chat, I'm just a wait for see what gonna happen, bro. We already have both idea for what we are gonna do. Bro, one more thing there, bro. You tell me say I jam thing job. Oh. The chat is like we are pushed back down. Can we get a closure below? Can we get a closure below? I'm gonna load up MT5 by the way. That was a minute candle. Alright chat, I'm gonna see. Got 3 minutes left on the 5. Alright chat. So it's like we get a closure on the minute candle, but I never below like this level. I want a closure below 29, you see me? 33, 29. Okay, we might get one though. We got 22 seconds until the minute candle close. If we close below 29, minute candle push up for another top wick. That could have been decent, bro. Get a closure below chat. We get a closure below 29. Now we print a minute top wick. Me not look for the entry after that. The reason why chat, I wait for the 5-minute candle closure. We got 1 minute and 25. 1 minute and 20 seconds until the 5-minute candle close. The next 5 gonna need a top wick chat. So if we don't fill the range, and the next we close and I make like the range, next 5 push up print a top wick, would I look for entry after like the next 5-minute candle. And if we just fill the complete range, then we just mark up some new range and look for a new setup. I already know. Got 40 seconds left. Can we get like a closure? But don't fill the range. And chat, it's a nice closure, bro. So can we get a top wick in towards like, I want to see a top wick in towards 33.33. Yeah, right. So well, I'm gonna adjust this chat. I want to see a top wick right as a chat. If we can print like a top wick, may I mark it execute sales chat for a wick entry. Just one goal, push up and tap this level I may have right as a bro. If we can tap, that would have been nice. If we don't tap, can just flip, fill the range, then I guess a GG's. And chat, look. So like how we print a bottom wick. Wick entry idea chat. Look chat, wick entry. I would have taken a wick entry, I would have put sell stop and it can go flip. Look, you see this can go chat. So like how we print a bottom wick. Look in our pass. Look on this candle over here, so you see this candle we basically, whenever we close right here, so what it can go do, can go push all the way up and with the printer top wick. Printer top wick, we flip and we continue down. This current candle, we not print a top wick as yet, chat. This current candle, we not print a top wick. So we would expect, after we print a top wick, now we would take no wick entry because we print a bottom wick first. So we could push up and just like don't respect this level and push past it. You see me? So this is how me I go do. Yeah, bro, I could just tell, bro. You see like how gold print a bottom wick first, flip bullish back. If we push up on top this level chat, no we can check, mother put some sell stop and the candle flip. Mother actually wait, cause if the candle can tap this level and actually flip back bearish, that would have been my sells going down. You see me? So that's how I want to see. I know gold do that. Sometimes you look for like a trade and instead of we print a top wick first, we fill the range first. And then we flip bullish and print the top wick. Tell me now, why would you, bro, if we did just push up first, would have enter in ourselves and chat that would have be clean. But chat, yeah, we push up. Never tap the level we want to get top, flip back bearish, bro. We not gonna cycle down for less. If the range get filled, we just mark up so a new range and just look for like a new, look for trade below like a different level. I will still got more range, you see me? That probably good, bro. When you look on the 1 minute there. Alright chat, you know me I do my markup so new range chat. Like how the level get filled. We didn't expect this range to get filled chat, but I just the entry confirmation we never get. That happens sometime. You see it? Yeah. Nice. This range just completely get filled chat. But as I'm say, without entry confirmation we can't enter. I just say go sometime. You see it? We push up like what? Push up like I bet you 3 pips. You see every time I miss my entry, goal forward 3 pips away. So me I go measure this, bro. You see if I ever 3 pips, chat me I go measure like a top wick. I remember so we like expect this line on I have to get top. Would I put sell stop and can go flip. But we never tap. So me I go measure from like the wick to the level, and if this are ever 3 pips, bro, chat. Don't tell, bro, this are literally history, bro. How much that? 3 pips. Every time you miss your trade, bro, just measure how much you miss your trade by. It's always 3 pips, bro. I swear. Same thing happened yesterday. You that expect a level get tapped and you miss your trade. Always 3 pips. I can literally tell you before it even happen, bro. It's always 3 pips, bro. Yeah, expect a level to get tapped, goal I go forward 3 pips away from the level. That me I tell you, bro, like, bro. But chat, that good though. I just something want me notice. Like, do it. Every time you have a level and it's like 11 I get filled, just measure how much you miss the trade by. I bet you 3 pips. Always, bro. Especially if you trade gold. Same thing happened to me yesterday. But you know what I'll do now, chat? We are gonna still wait for your top weight get print and wait for like a closure below here, so. Hold on, that would be decent. Hold on though. Cause we got range going down in the chat. We still got range going down. So we should be straight. But we just need another top wick. And measure the range by the way. That would be what, 13, that would be 25. Well, I'm gonna even focus on chat, bro, cause I'm just try to focus on this trade. We got range going down. We did print a top wick, 25 though. 5 push up. Print a top wick. Can this mini candle like push back up? That would have been good, bro. Should be able to fall there and fill the range. Chat, we might get an entry chat. Might get an entry soon, bro. Might be a weekend share or so, I'm not even sure. But chat, more see a top week get print. Let me see. Nice. So that's like a top week point, like the minute candle. I'll measure this. See if this candle flip, the range going down would that be like 16. Hold on, chat. Hold on. I'm gonna see something. Alright, chat. So look, to this level, I just chat. Look, basically, my tech sells below 33.24, and the reason for that is like, it's like a closure below. Like you see the candle current low. If we push back down, close below this chart, we got clean range going down towards like 33.22. You see me? It's like a 30 pip range, or let me measure the range by the way. It's like a 20 pip range. You see me? So when I look for tech sells below this up, you see the 4-hour candle start for reject. Like it's same thing, but we look for earlier chat. 4-hour candle reject. If we push back down or rebreak its lows shot, then we would look for tech sales. Like not on the rebreak at the lows, but on a closure below. Yeah, so you see me chat. I see an idea like what would you have earlier for sales them. When the candle open up and you drive down, I'm saying want to see candle reject and push back down, and you can't go do that. And you see how it trade, you see how it sells and they just fall straight down. So that's what I expect chat. Same thing. One this 4 I can go reject. You see if we reject and we don't close above and we actually fall down and close back below, we have to take sales. You see me, but I wait and see what go on. I look for take sales below 33.24 chat. And it buys them chat. Look, we also re-break the 4 candle lows. Remember that the idea we have. We're going to need to re-break the 4 candle lows because we might need like more liquidity. Remember that the idea we have now. And we did a plan for take sales go down towards the re-break of the 4 candle lows. But if you look what going, we forward down and we did re-break the lows. So no chat, no. If we flip bullish, it buys them like if we flip bullish, we could definitely drive up. You see me? If we flip bullish and we start to get closures above the range. And the reason why I say that because we fall down and we re-break the lows. Yes, my chat. So now if this 4 can go and drive up, that could be like possible. But when we would wait for chat, is a closure above the range. You see me? And closure above the range, we could take buys. And if we print this low and can go fail for close above the range or forward back down and close below the low, you know it sells then would have be clean chat. You see me? Me even know if we don't understand what I said though. It have to just show up every day and then you go get it. Yeah, so basically same thing, like same thing I do every day. Our time, by the way. Oh, even 9:30 at chat. We're still good, bro. Think you did way later than that. But we're still good. If you get to like 10:30, chat, I'm gonna get in a trade. Might just call it a day by like 10:30, then time there. Mm, 33, 36. The chat. I already know me I wait for, bro. I just want to see like a closure back below. Cause you would expect goal for like push up. Cause if we are gonna drive down, we need structure. You see me? I'm want to see this happen. Cause if goal did just a drive all the way down chat and never push up and print structure, more than ourselves anyways. More than just sit there and just wait. You see me? But we need to see like top weight get print. You see me? And if this can go close bullish respecting chat, and then the next can go like fall all the way back there and close below the range, then you already know that would have be clean, bro. And anything like above chat, like remember we say yo, if this 4 can go and push up chat, we now look for buys for like the previous 4. We just say we never look for no buys cause we're going to need a steeper wick. But if you look on the current 4 can go chat, we forward all the way down and we re-break the previous candle lows. You see me? So if we re-break the previous candle lows, now print a steeper wick. If this 4 candle for flip back bullish chat, we could definitely push up towards 38, 33, 38 because that's like next it's like a resistance level. So we could push up on top 38 if this 4 candle manage to flip bullish. You see me? Because we re-break the previous candle low. And with the sales them chat, yeah, look on it like this. If like we re-break the lows and that still wasn't enough, goal re-break the lows and still manage to close bearish below, then would I look for take sales. You see me? So I just we have both ideas for like buys and sells chat. It just depends on how they can go print. You see me? That when you look on it from for the 5, that would have be like a 5 make angular sprint structure. You know, like we are forward down, we start for push up, push back down, close back below, something like that. That will be what that will be what happen. And like the smaller time frame for view like 25 or so. But bro, me here on this thing, like you see. Let's make the thing there move slow. Alright chat, so can we get a closure below chat? If we get a closure below, I'm gonna look for enter some sales position. We got 20 seconds left though. Wow, fill the range before we close below. GG's once again. So chat, we literally did not look for sales below, but I see what gold though, we fill the range already. So I guess we have to mark up some new range or something. So it's like a sales idea we have some good idea in a chat, but we not get no entry confirmation, bro. Range I might get filled. Range I might get filled, but I just like we entry them. But every time that happen chat, we just go adjust the levels them. You see it, just adjust the levels, wait for your top wick, wait for structure get print, we're good, bro. Alright chat, so I'm gonna see what the 1 minute though. Right now look for text cells below anything below, what you call this, 3322.15 or 0.13. Anything below you have to chat, more look for text cells. You see me? Since the range already get filled, because this is our next, like this is our next clean range where we have a measure it. Measure it. So like what, 7, so like 20. This is like a 20 pip range chat. So like it's our next clean range where we have. So if we forget like a closure back below that, then we would have been good, bro. If not, and gold close above, we might take some buys feed there. So chat, that I like a second trade we miss. That's like a second trade we miss, bro. That was part of the game still, cause even though we say yo, we should be able to fill the range. Price action clean, you see me? Price action clean, but like I just the entry confirmation them, you see it. Chat, you already know, bro. It's like I same thing. Me and wait on chat. Nothing no change, bro. Like a closure below, that would have be good, bro. If you can manage to like close below the range. So chat, we close respecting, never close below. So if this 1 minute candle just fill the range, I guess that'll be another GG's basically. But more have to see. More have to see this 1 minute candle. If you don't fill the range, more have to see like a closure below a chart and a top wick, that would have been good. Cause the reason why I couldn't enter off of this minute candle chart because look, clearly we not close below the range, we close respecting, bro. You see me, we not close below. So that's why I can't enter for this minute candle. We close below, but I look for some sales, but we close respecting. So now we're about to close below in like 4 seconds. So can we get like a top wick? If we can get a top wick chat, that would be good, bro. Chat, more if we see a top wick, I'm gonna look for sales. If we go and print a top wick, I guess a GG's. We push up, top like 22, never top, bro. But I'll stay out of that. It push up in a chat, but in a top the level I'm want to see get top. You see it. So when that happen, bro, I just stay out. I just stay out and wait. I don't even gonna measure that. I already know 3 pips away, bro. I already know. And like this week chat towards the level I expect to get up. I already know it was only 3 pips. So I'm gonna even gonna measure it, bro. I already know. Every time that happen, every time I miss a trade, just know, bro. You even have to measure that, bro. Range get filled once again. No, I won't measure it, bro. I swear if this are ever 3 pips chat, this better be like 4 pips or something. Yeah, no we miss we trade by 4 pips chat 5. Yeah. No we miss we trade by 4 pips, bro. Joking. But I see him procedure though. All we're gonna do, I just wait, see him wait chat. Cause if gold fill the range, I gonna need to wait for top wicks and stuff like that, and then we're gonna be good, bro. And we still got clean range going down. So also keep that in mind. We got clean range going down, bro. So we are gonna be good. If we close back below, we could have look for tech sales below 33.19. Anything below this would have been good for car down towards 33.17. There's in my chat. I would expect like a mini top wick towards this towards this yeah, chat. So can we get like a closure below? We got what, 4 minutes until this 15 close, 4 minutes until the 5 close. The mini candle about to close below. 19 minutes left in the what you call this, the hourly time frame. All right, chat. See some. I'm gonna see some. Yeah. We're gonna need to wait like 3 minutes. I already think one will close still. If we get like a closure below, That be good on like the next minute candle. Chat, me I look for cells below this range in a chat, but me nah take it off of the minute candle. You see it? Me nah look for take no cells off of the minute candle. Me I wait for like a 5 minute closure. 5 minute candle about for close in a like in a 2 minutes. If the 5 minute candle close below, then more I look for take cells. You see me? Alright, chat. So you know what I'm gonna do, chat? I want to see a top wick. If we can print a top wick, alright, chat. I'm just gone into sales right there's a chat. The idea behind this chat is like the minute candle will close below, but this is the thing. With 5 minute candle, we only got last minute left in the 5 minute candle chat. So when we all have a last minute left, I would expect this 5 minute candle close bearish in the last minute. You see me? So that's why I'm enter sales chat. And like I said, we have 3 minutes left in the candle. At the last minute, we get a closure below the range and we get a top wick. We get a top wick when I been a look for. So that was the idea behind the trade chat. You see me? Yeah, I enter wick entry after we close below the range. Can I close full though? Hold on. No, not yet. Let me see some chat. This is our 15, the overall range at 20. Alright, chat. Hold on. Can we break the lows? Alright, chat, I'm close full right, that's a chat. You see me? That was a trade. I close full. Week entry after the minute time frame chat. I think my close full like as soon as we break the lows. You see my chat. That was a trade, bro. Hopefully you understand that though. Look, the 5 minute candle, we have the last minute left on the 5 minute candle. I know me say I wait for 5 chat, but this I think. If we have a last minute, bro, there's a high chance we close bearish below. You clearly see we have volume. So chat, look, since the 1 minute candle never close below, right? So this 1 minute candle, you push down into the range and reject, and we close above the range. We print a top wick 33.22. Now we close below the range. So we close below the range. Me look on the 5 minute time frame. We only have a last minute left. That means there's a high chance the 5 minute candle go close below. We get a top wick off of the 1 minute time frame chat. You see this candle where we enter upon, we get a top wick, we enter a wick entry. The candle was able to flip and we fill the range. And that was the idea behind the trade, behind the entry. You see my chat. We fill the range and we close full. So I'm see. That was like cause chat that was 17. Look, it's like we have what you call it? We have like the trade idea where we see the range in the chat. This was a clean range in the chat, but this are the thing, just the entry. You see me? That what I just explained was like the idea behind like the entry. You see me? But this was like a clean range, or we'll mark up clean range. We're supposed to fill the range, you see me? And we basically fill the range, but we finally get an entry, bro. About two trades like this we miss out on, cause we never get an entry. You see me? But hopefully I understand like the idea behind the entry though. Yes, bro, price action today would I get a 9 out of 10, bro. Today price action super clean. I swear. Today price action clean, bro. Bro, like look on this chart. It's like, bro, it's just super clean. Our time now, 9:46. The way a goal I move, everything makes sense. Today was a smooth day, I'm not gonna lie. You already know my style in the chat. I'm done for you day. Tomorrow Friday. We don't lose in a trade for a week so far. Tomorrow Friday, so if we forward back Friday and we get a W, bro, that are literally the whole week. We don't lose a trade for the whole entire week. But we have 1 day left, so we not go like, you see me? We have 1 day left chat tomorrow. So my trade, me get a win Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So me win like 5 days in a row. But as I said, tomorrow Friday, if me for win Friday chat, cause me I go live, you know. If we fall tomorrow, we follow a plan and we get the next W, bro. That whole entire week when I lose a trade, and that good, bro. You see it? We just need to forward back tomorrow and follow the same plan. That's all we need for do. But this was like a clean trade though, chat. Hopefully I understand like the idea behind that trade though. Cause as I say, even though we win, that not really matter, bro. Like the idea behind it matter. You see me? This was like a clean weekend chat. It was a weekend trade for like the minute time frame of forward all the way there and feel. Will I expect this whole entire range we get fill chat? But you already know me, bro. I'm close off on the rebreak of the lows. Yeah. And that was it, bro. But like the journal, bro. Yo, one day still there, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do a journal. You did ask about the journal. I'm about to end stream, so if I still there, let me know. Cause I could have just show you that. Gotta show you that before my end stream. Whoa, goal a drop. Chat, as I'm say chat, that was a trade, bro. I don't think I'm gonna continue trade for your side yet. You see me? I just fall back Friday and end off a week strong, bro. That's all we need to do. You see me, chat, cause we're already up for a week. We're up good, bro. You see it? I think we're up over 100 pips already, bro. You see me? So I just call it a day. When I go stay and look for take another trade. No. I just fall back tomorrow, bro. End off a week, bro. You see it? If we get a W tomorrow, we're gonna have like 100% win rate for the whole entire week. I tell in the chat for a Sunday me a trade. And I know most people don't trade for a Sunday. But bro, Sunday, market move nice past Sunday, bro. Sunday evening when the market just open. Wait, not really when it just open, because the market are open like 6. Yeah, see by 8 o'clock chat, like 8 o'clock to 8:30, the market moves sweet, bro. On Sunday evening or Sunday night. But chat, it's like a dog the day. Chat, I call it a day right as soon soon tomorrow. You see it? Yeah, that was a trade, bro. As I said, I'm done for the day. I just forward back Friday and just, you know, do the right thing. But I just left right, so just drop a like on the stream, chat, and your way out, just make sure you drop a like on the stream, bro. You see it? But yeah, me soon tomorrow, same place, same time, bro. That is it for right now. You see me? No joke.